2. Oh, it's probably gonna be dark there, huh?
Yeah, it's dark.
Day 2. Yesterday we left you off with when we just arrived here, our first day.
Ill in 1884 and, believing he was dying, asked geologist Arnold Hay to put Norris Basin on official
All right, we're gonna check out Mammoth Falls area here, and these are like formations that are made from lime deposits.
Most of them are dormant.
Yes, a lot of cars here from lots of states, as you can imagine. That one's just next door, isn't it? Missouri, New York, New York. If you guys are wondering about masks, they're not required here if you're outdoors, and especially if you can maintain 6 feet. They do require it in indoor spaces. We'll wear it for indoors and where it's required, but again, as far as the outside, it's not required. So many people without them. Yeah, many people with them as well. So it's like about half-half. Be prepared for a lot of stairs, FYI.
And yeah, art is fun.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Yeah, but I really want to do West Thumb.
Yes, this is our tour guide, everybody. Sylvie put in like some research. She made like a 3-day itinerary. For the most part, we went through all of it, or most of it, but we're really trying to narrow down for what you want to see. You can't do this in even the 3 days or 4 days that we're here. So.
All right, leave no trail.
So I know it doesn't look much right now, but if the springs do come out and they have the lime deposits develop, and what's the name of the bacteria again? Thermophile?
Yeah. Bacteria.
And if the bacteria form, that's what gives it its color. So orange color when it's the hottest, and or the bacteria turns orange when it's the hottest, and bluish and greenish when it's a little bit cooler.
No.
So,
the other way around.
The other way around?
The other way around.
Oh, it's the other way around. Orange when it's cooler. Green and bluish when it's the hottest.
Yeah.
Just like a flame. Now in Norris Geyser Basin, the oldest and hottest spot in Yellowstone, they say. I saw the rangers wearing their bear spray, so took ours out. Trusty bear spray right here. You go first, okay, Asher? Covering your
It smells really bad.
Smells really bad, huh?
It smells like rotten eggs.
No, it smells like just regular eggs.
There's pepper on them. Black pepper.
Yellowstone's got some really cool picnic places, picnic spots. Just pull over, bring some picnic chairs, and park beside the road right next to the river. In this case, we went actually into a picnic area, but you can just pull on the side of the road. Some of these roads have these pullouts, right? And just pull up a chair and enjoy the view. Really? Listen to the sound. This one's every boy's favorite, right? It's every boy's favorite, right? So we're in Grizzly RV Park, or Yellowstone Grizzly RV Park is where we're staying. And it's a really good park. I highly recommend it if you guys are going to be coming out here RVing. I think they have some tent sites too. Really nice park, really well kept, really close to the west gate. Like 5 minutes or even less.
No, it's like
to the west gate.
It's like 1 minute.
1 minute? Okay, I mean.
Or no, 2 minutes.
Unless you're sitting at the stoplights, the 2 stoplights on the way there, I guess. And it's like in town, and there's a lot of stuff, you know, shops and gas stations, all that kind of stuff. So I highly recommend this place. And ever since we've been RVing, I just love checking out other rigs. It's RVing, you know, has grown on me. Of course, it's like a way of life for us right now. But I like checking out the trucks, checking out the rigs. Right next to us, nice Airstream with Duramax as well. Chevy. It's a dually though, but real nice setup. I'll show you around maybe some of these rigs around here. We got a nice corner spot. Here's our row. Couple nice rigs. Big diesel pushers there. Couple of fifth wheels here. Now down on this row, let's see, they're all diesel trucks in this row. Lots of fifth wheels. Duramax, Ford, Cummins. These are all your diesel trucks that, you know, the RVers, common RVers use. I've seen people use you know, like semi trucks, like the medium duty semi trucks. Day 2 of Yellowstone was awesome. I'm spent though. There's just so much to see. Not sure how I'm gonna end this vlog. I could end it with day 2, or we got one more day here tomorrow, and maybe I'll finish up all the clips from the 3rd day. We'll see. Good morning. Day 3. Our first stop here is at Mammoth Falls, and it's 10 o'clock in the morning. We're trying to get a lot done too today because it's our last day, and this is probably the longest that we've had to drive from our RV park, just because this park is so huge. So we're trying to squeeze in a lot of things, so it should be good. that's it. That's it for our trip here at Yellowstone. It was awesome. We're glad that we spent about 2.5, 3 days here. Just taking a stroll around West Yellowstone, get some souvenirs, and we're gonna head home. Tomorrow we're gonna head out to Tetons and Jackson. See you guys later.